Welcome to the new closed box trailer series from SARIS trailers. The new generation of closed box trailers has been completely redesigned and developed from the ground up by our engineers at SARIS. The closed box trailer now features a fully galvanized chassis with a bolted drawbar assembly at the front. The new closed box trailer is just as flexible as it has always been, with a wide range of different options. For example, you can opt for a ramp instead of rear doors, ideal for getting rolling equipment into your box trailer. Or how about a sales hatch, available on the left, right, or even both sides? Perfect for easy side loading or selling directly from the trailer. A side door on the left or right is also ideal for loading your trailer more easily towards the front, instead of always from the back. But personalization doesn't stop there, as it's also possible to get the box body in different heights, ideal for your specific needs. The box body series is also available in various lengths and widths. It starts with a single axle, 2.5 meters by 1.30 meters, all the way up to a 3.5 meter tandem axle at 1.70 meters wide. During the development of this box body, a lot of attention was paid to how everything closes properly and how everything fits together. For example, the locks on all the doors, as well as the sales hatch, have been completely redesigned. They're now even sturdier, and everything stays securely shut. Every new SARIS box body also comes as standard with plenty of tie-down points for your airline rail, and a handy portable lamp, which you can mount wherever you like, so you always have light in your box body. In addition, this closed box body also comes with standard GRP panels as a unique feature. These are wooden panels with a GRP, glass fiber reinforced plastic, top layer. This provides an extra strong finish and is also smooth, making it easy to apply stickers. These new panels also retain the advantage of being easy to screw into, so you can still mount all sorts of things on the inside, which is necessary in your situation with a closed box body. If a white box body is a bit too plain for your taste, it's also available in grey, for just a different colour on the road. Because we don't say it for nothing, SARIS works for you.